Looking for a real Hositnger coupon code and a quick Hositnger review? Here is the simple answer. Hositnger is offering discounted pricing on all of its plans right now, and if you use the referral link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, you can unlock an additional 20% discount during sign-up. Hositnger stands out for three main reasons: speed, reliability, and simplicity. You get fast website performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and an easy-to-use website builder. So whether you are starting a blog, building a business site, or launching your first website, Hositnger makes the process simple. If the price is not shown in your local currency, just click the flag icon at the top right of the page and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. With its strong features and beginner-friendly setup, Hositnger is widely seen as one of the best web hosting choices available today. To get the latest Hositnger deal and save even more, click the link below or scan the QR code now.